see. Damn thing work. There we go. Okay. I'm not used to using box cutters. Shoop. Okay, this is from Annie MTP at Aura Estelle. Holy crap. That's a lot of planners. Okay, I'm so excited. Yes, these are the new planners that Aura Estelle is releasing in collaboration with AnniePlans. Okay, here we go. This is the B6 Simple Grid Companion. So this is just like a, if I'm correct, a grid notebook. It's 3.81 millimeters, so that's really good. I like somewhere around 4mm size grid. This is the weekly vertical, A5 weekly vertical. This one is 3.7. Okay, so they're actually really similar in grid size. And then this is the A5 Simple Grid Companion. So this is just like, the first one is just like a grid notebook. First of all, I am loving these hot pink covers. If you couldn't tell, my nails, I'm ready, so ready for summer. But let's open them up. I'm gonna open the B6 first. We'll start with the weekly vertical because that is gonna be the one that's like the most unique out of them. Okay, here we go. This one is just a little box with, ooh, there. Oh my gosh, I love this friggin' pink. Oh, the foil on this is freaking perfection. Can y'all see that? It's like a rose gold, but it's like, I don't know if it's because of this pink cover, which, let me get some light in here. I finally got some light today. Okay, here we go. There we go. Okay. I don't know if it's because of this pink cover or what, but the rose gold looks very pinky. I love it. I love it so much. Okay, here is the inside of the planner. These are undated planners. This is my favorite thing. She always includes like a sample of how to use the pages. So this is the B6 Weekly Vertical. So the pattern is 2 blank pages behind each weekly spread. Right, so instead of having like a book where you would have like your weeklies up front and then blank pages in the back, this one has a weekly spread. So it's a week on 2 pages. And then right behind that is you get 2 blank pages, which is really good if you want to like jot down like notes for the upcoming week. But here, let's just do a complete overview. So according to this little menu, here's the inside of the planner. You get an overview of 2023 to 2026, the calendars for all of those. These are just blank grid pages, which I love that. This would be great if you want to do like mind mapping and stuff like that, and then or like lay out your goals for the year or whatever. Here, that's perfect. Oh, and then here is a month. No, sorry, not a month, but it's the year on 4 pages. So it's this like yearly overview. And she includes so many ideas of what to use these pages for, which I absolutely love. And they're numbered. You can see the numbers all the way down. And then you get a blank page and then start your monthlies. These are undated, and I do have stickers in my shop that do fit these undated monthlies. Like I've got some tiny scripts for the days of the week that should fit up here, but I will check. And then behind each monthly, you have a blank page, which is nice if you want to, again, I used to use the B6. Is it over here? Yes. So, once upon a time, I was using this. Oh, I miss it. This was the classic daily. I do miss it. It's so cute. But it's undated, so I could totally just pick this thing back up and start using it again. My banana stickers, oh my God. Okay, so this paper, I will say, is a little bit thicker, and I think they stated somewhere where this was gonna be 68 GSM, which is, I think this one was 52. I can't remember exactly, but this is what it looked like. You had your undated monthlies. Oh my God, now that I'm flipping through this, I totally missed this planner. Oh my God. And then you had your page per day. I don't know why I pointed that out, but anyways. Oh, the calendars, that's why. So I made stickers when this first came out. I made stickers specifically designed for like these like days of the week here. So they'd be fitted for these pages. And it looks, yeah, it looks pretty much almost the same. But now this is more of like this has a grid pattern, whereas this original one, this classic daily, had plain. And then the column is on the left side, whereas this one was on the right, the like wider column, as you can see. Yeah, you can see. Anyways, you get, I believe this is 12 months. So yes, no, I was looking for, but should be 12 total blank months. And then start, where is it? Your weekly pages, which I love this vertical weekly. Like, if you don't need a full page, this is perfect. I really was excited for these coming out because I need to do better about time blocking, and that's what I want to use this for. It's absolutely perfect. I don't have, let me grab one. So eloquent. Okay, this is a Hobonichi Weeks sticker kit from my shop. My brain just went dead. But so you'll notice that they're not, it's too wide to use in this one, but I believe it's supposed to fit in the A5. I'll double check that in a minute. But you can, like, if you're okay with doing like journaling stickers and stuff like that, then these would be totally, those would be totally cute in this planner. These are new stickers coming to my shop, but I believe you get a week for the entire year. And behind each week, like I said, you get 2 blank grid pages. And let's see what's in the back. Holy cow, you get more blank pages. Okay, cool. So there is like a whole section of blank pages in the back too, which you can use for like notes and reference and things like that. I'm absolutely obsessed with this pink. I love it so much. It's so pretty. And then this, like I said, this is the, okay, so this is 52 GSM, whereas the weekly vertical is 68. 68. Let's see what this one looks like. I think this is what, oh, it's gray. Ooh, pretty. With the gold foil. And like I said, this is just like your basic grid notebook, which lays flat, which is beautiful. I love that. That's a must. And then I love that the interior of this one is pink. How pretty is that? I hope this is showing up. This is very impromptu. I just got the box and I was like, you know what? Let me record. This cover actually feels really soft. For some reason, it just feels so soft to me. This one? No, this one feels softer. I don't know, like more flexible, I guess? Yeah, okay. So that's the V6 size. It's coming out. And that includes like a whole overview of their TRP, which Tomoe River Paper collection of planners, which is like exactly 1 billion of them. My favorite has been the classic daily, which I missed that. I'm gonna wanna maybe go back into that one. Who knows? We'll see. So that's B6, and I'll show you real quick the A5. Another pink box. So pretty. I love the pink. I would not, y'all, I'm not gonna lie. I know like just softer tones are more appealing and stuff, but I would not be opposed to a hot pink planner. Could y'all imagine? Oh my God, yes. Ooh, A5 is so big. So this is B6, I believe, is 5x7. So here's a comparison, size comparison of the B6 to the A5. I can't remember what exactly the measurements are for an A5, but this one has 68 GSM, so just like the B6. It's undated, 8 full vertical columns, 3.7 millimeter grid. So the layout is just exactly the same as the B6 ones, where you get like the 4-year like overview calendar, then a blank page, and then you get the year on 4 pages. And then you get the monthly with the blank page behind every single monthly. And so you get 12 months of those. And then, oh, I love that you get, okay, can we just first of all talk about, here's the grid and the A5. And I think the B6 was the same, but can we just acknowledge the fact that I'm so grateful that Sunday and Saturday have their own columns? Because I hate the ones that like have them stacked, because it's like, I do stuff on Saturday, probably not Sunday. I brunch on Sunday. I don't say that. We do brunch at home. But yeah, same for the B6. So love that. And then you also even get a column for that's just like the this week. So in like more traditional vertical planners, a lot of people use this for like weekly overview type stuff. So like priorities for the week, or like listing out meal plans. That's what I use it for traditionally, usually. And then behind each week you get another blank, 2 blank grid pages, and then the following week after that. So that's super awesome. And then you also get blank pages in the back. Oh, I love this. I don't know if I'm going to use that. I want to use both of them, but how? I'll figure it out, I'm sure. But this one, you also get like the same kind of suggestion. I don't know why the word menu popped in my head, but like, here's some really awesome ideas or ways to use the planner. Oh, I love this. Okay. So that's the A5. And let me see really quickly. I should have grabbed like a sheet of oops stickers, but this is they sent me these planners. These are gifted to me. I'm super excited. I really want to do like doodle layouts, or like time blocking for sure. Maybe in the B6, because that one's a lot more portable. And I love taking my planners places. Okay, so here is the box. Let's see. Looks like it fits. I'll have to do like a mock spread or something in this A5 to show y'all what it looks like. But I love this. I love this so much. Thank y'all so much. This is so sweet. I'm so excited. I was actually just sitting here thinking about, I got coughing on my table or something, how I need to plan in my planners, because it's been a minute. But, and then these showed up, so it was a sign from the planner gods. Okay, and then this is just the A5 simple grid companion, which is the 52 GSM 3.8 millimeter grid. Oh, look how tiny that grid is. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love, y'all, look how thin this paper is. I said look, and I'm like listening to it, and it's so buttery soft. Oh my God. Can y'all just imagine like the beautiful crinkling that's gonna happen when these pages are like full? Oh, I love it so much. Okay, I just wanted to pop on and show you all these and tell you I'm very excited. I'm gonna try to use them. I am actually, well, this is probably a good segue. So I'm actually thinking about, I have a release this weekend, and then I'm considering taking some time, not off from the shop. So don't think I'm going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere. But I want to take some time off of doing like big collections and stuff, because I want to focus more on like just developing my art. So more time in like my sketchbooks and planning things out. So this collection that's releasing this weekend, which is 2 collections, technically one is going to have 2 different types of kits, because we're going to do like the Star Wars, it's called the 4th kit. We'll have a colorful like pastel version, and then also a neutral color version. And then I have the the hoodie bears, which I showed y'all those